Hey guys, it's Angie here at Ross Motorsports in Lufkin, Texas, your #1 Bass Cat dealer in the nation. Here I'm standing beside a 2021 Bass Cat Erya. Now this one is a fresh arrival. It just showed up this last week. I have it powered by a 250 Mercury V8 ProXS. I have this boat equipped with Garmin electronics. We have an Ultra 10 in the dash and we have an Ultra 10 up front with the Garmin Force trolling motor. If you have any questions on this model or any of my other inventory, check out my website, rossmotorsports.com, or give us a shout. 936-465-5551 is my cell. Remember, financing is available and we do take trade-ins. Thank y'all.